Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Tanzir Ahmed and today I am going to talk about a very important topic, digital marketing. So before I am talking about it, I explain something. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the practice of using electronic media channel to promote your brand or product. This includes social media, email, display advertising, mobile apps, video games, etc. The goal of digital marketing is to reach potential customers where they spend their time reading, shopping, playing, watching, and otherwise consuming content and advertisement. Digital marketing has become a very important part of our lives. In today's world, almost every single person uses some form of digital device to connect with other people and companies. As such, it is essential for businesses to have presence on this platform. Why digital marketing is important for us? I think nowadays digital marketing plays an important role of our life. Currently the world technology is at its peak as businesses are making full use of the available tools. People are using the internet more and more, and the future of technology looks even brighter. This is the majority of businesses are moving online since it allow cost effective promotion and advertisement. Due to increased competition, the importance of digital marketing has also increased. Let's look at some numbers showing how digital marketing has completely changed the market. Now I try to explain key components. So let's explain. There are many key components. Search engine optimization. The short form of search engine optimization is SEO. Content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, pay per click, the short form pay per click PPC, influencer and affiliate marketing. So let's explain one by one. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of improving a website so that it ranks higher in search engine results. The goal is to attract more organic traffic by making the website more visible when people search for relevant keys. That is called search engine optimization or SEO. How SEO works? Search engine optimization use crawlers to scan websites, index the content, and then rank pages based on how useful and relevant they seem for users' search query. SEO focuses all aligning your websites with these ranking factors. Now the topic is emerging trends in 2025. There are many points of this topic. Data-driven decision making. So, what is data-driven decision making? This is the foundation of everything. It's the practice of basing strategic decisions on data analysis, interpretation, rather than intuition or observation alone. Why it's crucial? It removes the guesswork, allowing you to optimizing for ROI. Understand your audience true needs and accurately measure what's working and what isn't. It provides the why behind your action. Second point is AI-driven personalization. What is AI-driven personalization? This is the brain that acts your data. It useful artificial intelligence and machine learning to deliver tailored experience, product recommendation, and content to individual users in real time. Why is crucial? Customer expect brand to understand them. Personalization dramatically increase engagement, conversion rates, customer satisfaction, and loyalty by making each interaction feel unique and relevant. Third point is voice and visual search optimization. What is voice and visual search optimization? Adapting you digital content to be discovered through spoken queries and image-based search. Camera to identify a plant or find product similar to one you see the world. Why it's crucial? Search in evolving viewing typing. Voice search is used for local queries and convenience. Visual search is revolutionary for retail, fashions, home decor, and any visually oriented industry. Number 4, short form video marketing. What is short form video marketing? Creating engaging, concise and vertically oriented video content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, etc. Why it crucial? It's the dominant content format for capturing short attention spans, building brand personality, driving trends, and engaging communities on platform where users spend their time. And last point, influencer partnership. What is influencer partnership? Collaborating with individuals who have a dedicated and trusted social following to promote your brand or product in an authentic way is called influencer partnership. So why it crucial? It provides social proof, builds credibility, and taps into pre-built, engaged communities. It's often more effective than traditional advertising because it comes from relatable source. Here there my point of the emerging trend 2025. I expect you all are understand this topic. So let's go next topic. Now we know about of benefits of digital marketing or business. There are many benefits such that get online exposure, display your brand, broad and global reach, higher ranking, saves time and money, can reach target customers, more visible online, deal with multiple users at once, no limited customer visit, track performance and recipient behavior, etc. We can tell many advantages of digital marketing. There are brand development, personalization, wider reach, increased ROI, real-time results, greater engagement, increased flexibility, accessibility, increased brand awareness, etc. So many reasons digital marketing is very important for us, for business. Now the topic is career scope in digital marketing. This is an important topic. There are many points of this topic. First, SEO specialist. An SEO specialist optimizes websites to rank higher in search engines like Google for specific keyword. Their goal is to attract free, organic traffic by improving technical site health, creating content around what people search for, and earning backlinks for other websites. This is SEO specialist. Second point is social media manager. This person manager a company's presence on social platform like Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, etc. They create schedule content, engage with followers, run campaigns, and build a community around the brand. They focus on storytelling, brand personality, and direct audience interaction. Third point is content creator. A content creator produces valuable material like blog posts, videos, infographics, products, etc. to attract and engage an audience. A content strategist plans what content create, for whom, and why, ensuring it supports business goals. Often these roles are combined into one. Next point is PPC and ad experts. The paid traffic controller, a PPC expert manager manages paid advertising campaign on platform like Google Ads, on Meta, Facebook, Instagram, etc. They pay to place ads in front of a specific audience, carefully managing the budget to generate clicks, leads, or sale, and ensuring the return on investment is positive. Next point is digital marketing consultant. This is an experienced expert who analyzed a company's overall digital marketing efforts. They don't usually execute day-to-day tasks but instead provide strategic advice, in identify weakness and opportunities, and create plan for other specialists to follow, like SEO or PPC experts. And point is data analyst. A data analyst collects, processes and interpret that data from all digital marketing activities like website traffic, ad performance, social engagement, etc. They turn raw numbers into actionable insight, answering question like what's working and why, to help the team make smarter data driven decisions. These are turned into the topic, so I discuss all point of this topic. So let's go next. Why learn digital marketing in 2025? There are many points. Let's break down of each point. First point is growing demand for skilled professionals. What it means? There is a significant and widening gap between the number of digital marketing jobs available and the number of qualified candidates to fill them. Businesses of all sizes knows they need to be online but often lack the in-house expertise. Why it's true? The entire economy countries to shift online. Every company from a Fortune 500 brand to a local bakery need to build its presence, generate leads and drive sales through digital channels. This creates a relentless demand for people who can execute strategies in SEO, social media, content creation, email automation and data analysis. The bottom line, digital marketing offers strong job security. Skilled professionals are highly sought after and are often among the last to be cut economic downturn because they are directly tied to revenue generation. The second point is opportunities in freelancing and remote work. What is mean? Digital marketing skills are perfectly suited for the modern work from anywhere. The work primarily done on computers and online platforms, making physical presence in an office unnecessary. Why it's true? Freelancing. You can offer specific service platform like Upwork and Fiverr are full of these opportunities. Remote work. Most digital marketing roles can be performed 100% remotely. Companies are increasingly open to hiring remote workers, giving you access to Google job market without having relocated. The bottom line, this skill provides unparalleled flexibility and control over your career, allowing you to design a lifestyle that suits you. The third point is high paying career path. What it means? Due to high demands and skill gap, companies are willing to pay premium salaries for proven expertise. Furthermore, digital marketing is directly linked to measurable business outcomes like sales and revenue. So, effective marketers are highly valued. What's it's true? Roles like SEO, SEM specialist drive free and paid traffic, who is the lifeblood of outline business. Data analyst translate marketing data into actionable insights. Content strategist develop content that attract and engages customers throughout the sales funnel. The next point is applicable to all industries. What it means? Digital marketing is not niche. It is a transferable skill set that valuable in every single sector of economy. What is true? whether it's healthcare, education, non-profit, real estate, manufacturing, or e-commerce, every industry has an audience it needs to reach online. The core principles of understanding a customer, creating valuable content, and engaging on digital platform are universal. This means your school will never be obsolete and you can work in a field you are passionate about. The 5 point is essential for entrepreneurs and startups. What it means. For a new business with a limited budget, digital marketing is most cost effective way to reach large audience, build a brand and company with established players. It often the difference between success and failure. What is it true? Cost effective compared to traditional advertising like TV, print, digital channel like social media and SEO offer a much higher return on investment for a fraction of the cost. The bottom line, if you have an entrepreneurial dream, understanding digital marketing allows you to launch and grow your venture without a massive marketing budget, giving you full control over your business growth trajectory. Hey audience, at last we are going to discuss the conclusion of digital marketing. So let's break down of each component. First point is digital marketing is the backbone of modern business. This is a strong metaphor that carries several keys meaning. Structure support. Just a backbone provides critical support for the entire body. Digital marketing provides the foundational support for a modern business growth, customer acquisition and brand presence. Without it, the business would collapse under the weight of competition and obscurity. Non-optional. You cannot have a modern business without this backbone. It's a crucial as having a business plan or a quality product. Next point is constantly evolving with a technology and consumer trends. This highlights the dynamic and non-static nature of digital marketing. It's not something you learn once and are done with. Technology. This refer to the rapid emergence of new platform TikTok, algorithms, tools like AI powered chatbot, generative AI like ChatGPT, advertising firm and data analyst capabilities. Marketers must be agile and continuous learner. Consumer trends. This point to shift in how people behave online. Example included the demand for authenticity and user-generated content, the rise of short-form video and ephemeral content like stories, the importance of privacy and data security. The next point is a must-have skill in 2025 and beyond. The final point and address the individual rather than just the business. It make a crucial claim about career development and relevance. Not just a department. The point of not just a department. It argues that digital marketing literacy is no longer confined to the marketing department. It is a valuable skill for entrepreneurs, founders, content creators, salespeople, designers, and anything whose work involves building an audience for selling a product or service. Future proofing. This is an important topic. By starting 2025 and beyond, it emphasizes that this trend is not a fad but a long-term trajectory. Understanding the digital landscape will be crucial for professional success for years to come. Strategic mindset. This point shows the skill mentioned isn't just knowing how to post on Instagram. It encompasses a strategic mindset that includes data analysis, understanding customer journeys, content creation, SEO, and paid advertising. So guys, at the last moment, I had like to say, have a good day. Thank you for being with me at long time. Thank you everyone.